Hey everybody, so I'm here at another new account, or potentially new account. Need to check this out. I just got this call yesterday, and there's the equipment right there. Just checking it out to see if it's going to be one that I actually take on. And so this is in okay condition. That's just a standard motor. It's not a variable speed pump, and older chlorinator there, and can't really tell the age on the Hayward sand filter there. But let's take a look at the pool. Okay, so that's a Polaris 360, and this pool, believe it or not, is not small by any means. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but that's a Polaris 360, and it's disconnected. And is that a, yeah, there's an O-ring. There's the O-ring for the seal. That's disconnected. But yeah, I'm just taking a look at this one to see if it's one that I'm actually going to take on. And ooh, there's some wrinkling there. This looks like a newer liner. Actually, I remember the lady saying that is a newer liner, and that's not good right there. I wonder how long those have been there. But if you have wrinkling in your pool liner, you definitely want it fixed. If it's a newer liner, go ahead and get that taken care of. The longer that you wait, the less likely they're going to come out. Those right there will eventually leak, and it's really hard to patch a wrinkle. So just remember that. But just checking this one out, that it works. We don't want any leaks. We don't want any leaks. We don't want any bearings that are going out in the motor, even though that looks like a brand new motor. Okay, so the first thing I do, and I didn't mention this in the last video, is I just check to make sure I don't see any leaks out the backwash line. If I do, it's going to be the spider gasket inside there. So this looks okay. I do see some air in the line, so I'll definitely have to look at that. But anyways, appreciate everybody looking at this, and if you like videos like this, please hit that like button, and I'll see you in my next videos. All right.